Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make some sound effects to our donut clicker. First, go to sounds. Wait. First, just go to sounds and the donut, okay? And then choose a sound and then go to loops and click on the bossa nova. You see that? Very cool. And then for the collect, go to effect and then you see this? Yeah, that one. And then in the code tab, put the start sound collect in the if touching mouse pointer, this one, okay? And when green flag clicked, we add a forever loop, play sound, this sound. And then in this donut, we don't need anything. And then in this sprite, we start sound bing, boop, bing, bop. So let's no. So in the sounds, how to get the bing boop is you go to here, and then you go to the effect, and you see this one. Search that one, okay? And then put the start down, bing boop bing bop, on top of the change donuts. And then for this one, I already record. Look at this. Very funny. Yeah, very funny. Let's just change that. Now you can record, but you need a mic like me. And then let's just click to this, and then you could record anything. Okay? Okay. Or wait. So, and then we'll just save it. Now, your donut clicker will have some sound effects. Look at this. Very cool. Also, if you want to add a thumbnail, you could. So let me just steal this. Just group it first, and then let's just copy it. Go to this one and then paste it. And then I'll just Control A, and then first we group it and then copy, and then let's go to this, and then we'll just paste it, and then let's go to back layer like that, and then let's just write some text. Let's make it 2 pixel and call it cookie. No, not cookie. Donut. There we go. And then let's just make this text bigger. Okay. And then let's go to code. We add a when green flag collect. Add a forever. We reset. First, we need to hide it, and then we reset the timer, and then we add when the we still got that. And when the timer is less than 0, then we could show it. So now, yep. And then in the donut, he said, and when the timer is less than 0, we just need to hide this one. Stop. Yep. It still shows. And why does it show? Because we still got this bright. And then we just add a when timer is less than 0, we hide this one too. Also, we should add a show, and then we should add a show here. Okay. Yeah, very cool. And let's just reposition it and go to 0 and 0. Now, but yep, wow, very cool. And then yes, setting thumbnail. This is the new thumbnail, and then we're saving it. Now we have a new thumbnail, which is very cool. So you got a new thumbnail, and that's a cool trick. Goodbye for now.